How's it going, guys? It's Kyle with the How To Guy 123 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to launch a program right when Windows starts. So for example, if you want to launch Google Chrome right when you log into Windows, this tutorial will help you out. So you're going to want to begin by hitting the Windows key and R, and that's going to bring up a run window here. And you're going to want to type in shell:startup, just like I have written here. Go ahead and click on OK. And that's going to bring up this folder here. And every shortcut in this folder here is going to be launched on startup. So you're going to want to take this folder and just put it to the side for a second. And you're going to want to search in the start menu for the program you want to have launch on startup. So for this tutorial, I'll use Google Chrome. So I'm going to type in Google Chrome. And we have it right here. So you're going to want to right click on the application here and then click on Open File Location. That's going to bring up another folder here, and I'm just going to put it to the side. And you're going to want to highlight the application you want to have open on startup. And you're going to want to hold right click and drag it to the startup folder. And then it's going to bring up this pop-up here. And you're going to want to select Create Shortcut here. And that's just going to create a shortcut to your application in the startup folder here. And now we can close out of both folders. And now we can restart our computer to test out if this worked. And you can see here that Google Chrome has launched alongside some of my other programs like Discord once I logged into Windows here. The only thing I want to mention is this might impact your startup speeds just a little bit, but if you have an SSD, this won't be a huge deal. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. If this video helped, leave a like. If it didn't, leave a dislike. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.